Hi, I'm Danny Ecker with the Chicago Business Today Midday Report. Just days before the U.S. Supreme Court weighs in on the constitutionality of President Obama's federal health care overhaul, the president has announced that policyholders nationwide are due to get major rebates on premiums that aren't used for a certain amount of care. That's especially the case here in Illinois, where about 163,000 families are in line to get rebates that average $380, the fifth highest average in the nation. It could be an indication of premiums that are set too high here, and our Tom Korfman reported on the topic this week. Tom, these rebates are far higher here than elsewhere. Why is that?
Well, the national average per family was $151, and here again the average rebate is going to be about $380 per family. It may suggest that premiums are set too high by some insurers. Certainly, what it does tell us is that the insurers that have missed these new requirements on healthcare spending, they've missed it by a wider mark than insurers nationwide.
Right, and there was a bit about Blue Cross Blue Shield here, right?
Well, Blue Cross Blue Shield in Illinois, the largest insurer in the state, says this morning that they are not issuing any rebates. They have met these new requirements that require insurers to spend a specified amount on healthcare related activities and medical care.
Right. So the moment we've been waiting for, obviously, on the healthcare front is coming here next week. From the indications you get, how will this ruling affect Illinois, those insured here in Illinois?
Well, it depends entirely on what the court rules. It could uphold the healthcare overhaul. It could strike the entire thing down. If the law is struck down, then the rebates will not be paid. The ruling will not come down on Monday, probably later in the week now, are the indications from the court. But clearly all this could be reset next week.
Right, there's a lot of build up to this, and from what you've heard from sources, what are you expecting to hear from the court?
Well, predictions are across the board. You know, there are three main issues. One is the mandate to buy insurance. The second is the constitutionality of the expansion of Medicaid nationwide. And then the third question is really, if either of those two things are unconstitutional, what is the remedy? The predictions vary. My own personal prediction is that the court is going to uphold the healthcare reform law in what will be truly a landmark decision.
Okay, well, big day for a lot of people coming up next week.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, Tom.
You're welcome.